Ngiyaphila, it's angibanga nalutho. It's right. It's right nalo. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. The mother who drove her 2-year-old baby to a crowd from a smoke-filled building in coastal city of Durban told BBC of her gratitude to those who saved her daughter. Their video guys trended on Twitter and left many people worried and wondering about the baby's well-being. The incident was filmed by BBC cameraman Tutuka Zondi in Durban city center on Tuesday after the building was torched by the looters. According to the report, the lift were not working from 16th floor because of the fire, so Miss Manyoni frantically ran down to the stairs with her baby. However, she was unable to get to the ground floor as the area was blocked. She says she managed to squeeze through to a balcony area on the second floor. Firefighters arrived at the scene about 20 minutes after people in the crowd had started rescuing other residents with ladders, which is how Miss Manyoni was reunited with her daughter Melokuhle. Guys, we thank God for saving their life. We wish baby Melokuhle long life. Guys, let's just find time on our busy schedule to pray for our beautiful country, South Africa. Things are not good at all. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.